Hey everybody, I thought I'd hop on here and do another live video real quick while I was in the quietness of my car before I run into where it's a bit more noisy at the office. I wanted to talk today about notifying the other party once you decide to file a lawsuit. There was a question that was asked on the last video I did about that, and so I thought I would address that. The ways that you notify, there's several different ways that you can notify the other party, and this pretty much applies to any lawsuit, though the question from the previous video was about divorces. So if you have decided to file and we've got the paperwork filed, then there's a few ways we could notify the other party. If it's going to be agreed, if we think that we're going to try to work something out, then what I will do is I will prepare a waiver of service and send them a letter notifying them that we filed the lawsuit, sending them a copy, send them the waiver, ask them to sign that and return it. And that's the low conflict way of trying to get that done. Then the other way we can do that is if they won't sign the waiver of service, or if there's some kind of an emergency or time is of the essence, then we would have to hire a private process server to serve them and notify them. The other possibility, and the question that was asked previously, was what if I don't know where the other person is? And that's where things get more complicated. If we don't know how to locate them or where they are, then there is a process, there's a way to get them served. It's not ideal. So the best thing to do is to try to locate them. And we may spend some extra time, some extra resources trying to locate that person so we can actually have them served in person. If we just cannot find them, we don't know where they are, then we can have them served by publication. And that's where you run an ad in the paper. You have to run it for so many times, so many days. There's requirements there on how that gets done. Then an attorney gets appointed to represent that person, and it's the attorney's job to do their own diligent search to try to find that person. And then they report back to the court whether they've been able to find them or not been able to find them. And then we're able to proceed once we've jumped through all those hoops. And so, like I said, because there's more hoops to jump through, that's not the first way that we want to go. So anyway, I hope that information is helpful. Again, if you have other questions, feel free to ask them. You can enter them here on this video, and then I'll use them for my next video, and you can probably hear the train going by in the background. That's what we deal with here in downtown Bryan. So feel free to ask me anything, and y'all have a great day. Thanks. Bye.